Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Block Blast not updating. So basically, you're going to want to update it like any other app. You're going to want to update it so you get the latest features and make sure that you're not getting any bugs or viruses that you may not want for your apps. So how do you actually just update it? Well, I have a very simple fix for you. So what you're going to want to do is exit out of this and just double check if you can actually update or not. So let's go to the store, tap on search, and now we're going to search for Block Blast. So I'm going to search for Block Blast and tap on search, and here we are. So if we open the app right here, as you can see it says open now. If it's outdated or if you haven't updated it, it's going to say update. Now if this doesn't work for you, I have a simple method that you can use. Now what you're going to want to do is simply hold on it, and basically you're going to want to tap on delete. Once you delete the app, all you have to do is just re-download it, and it's going to come in the phone. It's going to be downloaded into your phone with its latest feature. So think of it as updating or restarting. So you're going to want to delete the app and then download it once again so that you can get the latest features. If you don't get any new features, then that probably means that your Block Blast is already up to date. So that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.